वेलकम टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल एजुकेशन एंड ग्रेड डियर व्यूअर्स एंड लर्नर्स अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज का जो ये वीडियो है ये वन लाइनर ऑन रिवर्स एंड लेक्स इन इंडिया। तो फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज द फ्लो ऑफ वाटर थ्रू वेल डिफाइंड चैनल्स इज नोन एज ड्रेनेज। So drainage is defined as the flow of water through well defined channels is known as drainage. Indian rivers are divided into two major groups. जब हम इंडिया की रिवर्स की बात करते हैं हम डिवाइड करते हैं इनको दो ग्रुप्स में। एक तो है हिमालय रिवर्स और दूसरा है पेनिनसुलर रिवर्स। जो हिमालय रिवर्स है ये है पेरिनियल इन नेचर एंड जो पेनिनसुलर रिवर्स है ये नॉन पेरिनियल इन नेचर। River Indus, River Ganga and River Brahmaputra. River Indus system, River Ganga system and River Brahmaputra system are the examples of Himalayan rivers. So they are the examples of Himalayan rivers, River Indus, River Ganga and River Brahmaputra. These are Himalayan rivers. So the drainage pattern resembling the branches of a tree. The drainage pattern resembling the branches of a tree known as dendritic pattern. Dendritic pattern is that pattern resembling the branches of a tree. When the rivers originate from a hill and flow in all directions, the drainage pattern is known as radial drainage pattern. Radial drainage pattern, which is the largest river drainage system of India. Largest river drainage system of India is Ganga Basin. Ganga river system is the largest river system in India, which is the largest and longest river of India. Largest and longest river of India is Ganga river. Ganga river is the largest and longest river of India. Origin of Ganga river. So the origin of Ganga river is Gangotri glacier near Gomukh. In Uttarkashi district of Uttarakhand, Ganga is known as Uttarakhand, Ganga is known as Bhagirathi river. It is known as Bhagirathi river in Uttarkashi district of Uttarakhand, which is the largest city situated on the banks of river Ganga. It is Kanpur. Kanpur is situated on the banks of river Ganga. The Brahmaputra river is an example of which type of drainage system? It is antecedent drainage system. Example of antecedent drainage system is Brahmaputra. The dash flows through Tibet, India and Bangladesh. Brahmaputra river flows through Tibet, India and Bangladesh. By what name the Ganga river known in Bangladesh? In Bangladesh, river Ganga is known as Padma river. Important left bank tributaries of river Ganga. So जो river of the river Ganga इसके left bank tributaries भी है and right bank tributaries है। जो लेफ्ट बैंक ट्रिब्यूटरीज है वो गोमती है, रामगंगा है, गागरा है, गंडक है, कोसी है एंड महानदी और द लेफ्ट बैंक ट्रिब्यूटरीज ऑफ रिवर गंगा. इट इज आल्सो जमुना, सन, दामोदर और द राइट बैंक ट्रिब्यूटरीज ऑफ रिवर गंगा. River Ganga is also the right bank tributaries, that is Yamuna, Son and Damodar. Which river is called the treacherous river? That is Hooghly river is known as treacherous river. By which names are River Satluj, River Beas, Ravi, Chenab and Jhelum. The five rivers are collectively known as Panchnath. Panchnath is the collective name of River Satluj, Beas, Ravi, Chenab and Jhelum. These are the tributaries of River Indus. From which river is the Eden Canal drawn? It is Damodar river. That is India's largest inland salt lake. It is Sambar Lake in Rajasthan. It is India's largest inland salt lake. Which is the largest artificial lake of India? जो artificial lake of India, it is Govind Sagar Lake in Himachal Pradesh. Govind Sagar Lake in Himachal Pradesh is the largest artificial lake of India. First Indian wetland of international importance under the Ramsar Convention, that is Chilka Lake. चिलिका लेक इन उड़ीसा, उड़ीसा में है चिलिका लेक, जिसको इंपॉर्टेंस मिली, जिसकी इंटरनेशनल इंपॉर्टेंस अंडर द रामसर. Which is the largest Oxbow lake in India? Largest Oxbow lake in India is Kanwar Lake. Which lake is famous for its floating islands? For its floating islands known as Palmdis. This is found in Manipur. Dash lake in Rajasthan is considered most sacred and surrounded by 52 bathing ghats. Is Pushkar Lake in Rajasthan. Which lake in Gujarat is renowned as the country's largest waterboard sanctuary in April 1969 is Nal Sarovar Lake. Nal Sarovar Lake is the largest waterboard sanctuary in Gujarat, which is designated in April 1969. Largest freshwater lake in India is Walar Lake in Jammu and Kashmir. On which river Bakra Nangal Dam is built? Bakra Nangal Dam is built on river Satluj. Which is the largest coastal lagoon lake in India? Coastal lagoon lake in India is Chilika Lake in Orissa. Jog Falls, the biggest waterfall in India, is located on which river? Sharavati River in Karnataka. Sharavati River in Karnataka is the biggest waterfall. That waterfall is known as Jog Falls, which is called the Mystery Lake. Which is called the Mystery Lake, that is Ropkund Lake. Ropkund Lake is called the Mystery Lake. Which river is known as Dakshin Ganga? In southern India, which river is known as Dakshin Ganga? Is river Godavari. Godavari is called Ganga of South, that is Dakshin Ganga. Which river originates as well as ends in territory of India? जो originate भी होता है इसमें और end भी होता है इसमें, that is river Chambal. Which river is the home for freshwater dolphins? Freshwater dolphins is river Ganga. At which place does Alaknanda and Bhagirathi meet and take the name of Ganga? So, the confluence of Alaknanda and Bhagirathi take the form of river Ganga at Diu Prayag. Diu Prayag, that confluence of these two, Alaknanda and Bhagirathi at Diu Prayag, forms river Ganga. Where is the origin of the river Indus, Brahmaputra and Satluj? It originates in Tibet. So river Indus, river Brahmaputra and river Satluj originates in Tibet. Where is the source of river Brahmaputra? It is Chima Yangdan Glacier, Tibet in China. The famous temple of Badrinath is situated on the banks of which river? It is situated on the banks of Alaknanda River, which forms the river Ganga. Which river is also known as Sarwa Bihar due to its frequent flooding. Due to its frequent flooding, that is Kosi River is known as Saro of Bihar. On which river Ajmer is situated? It is situated on Luni River. Dash is the Trans-Himalayan River. Satluj is the Trans-Himalayan River. On which river world's highest rail bridge constructed? On which river world's highest rail bridge constructed? It is constructed on river Chenab in district Riyasi of Jammu and Kashmir. Which river makes an estuary? It is Narmada River makes an estuary. Two main rivers flowing through the Rift Valley and fall in the Arabian Sea. So in the Arabian Sea, that is Narmada and Tapti. Narmada and Tapti flowing through Rift Valley and fall in the Arabian Sea, which is a land-bound or inflowing river, that is Luni River. Which is the longest peninsular river in India? Longest peninsular river in India is Godavari. Best of luck to all constable aspirants from the team of YouTube channel Education Enclave. God bless you.